Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Today we're going to make a different kind of treat. Come on. We are actually going to make some homemade trail mix bars. I think they're going to be delicious. Now, I already have my oven preheating to 325 degrees. Yeah, I had to think about that for a second. And I've got a 8x8 dish ready with some parchment paper. And I've got all my ingredients sitting out here. So, let's get started. You can use whatever nuts that you prefer to use, but we're going to start mixing everything together here. 1 cup of whole almonds, a cup of cashews. Now these have salt in them, so there's not that much left in there, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in. You don't have to get the ones with salt. That's just for what I needed. That's what I found. You don't know how things are these days. You might, it's kind of hit and miss whether you find something or whether you don't. We're going to do ½ cup of coconut. I already had some coconut here. Unfortunately, it is sweet coconut, not necessarily what I would like to use. I had to use it in an ingredient that I fixed for church, but ½ cup of coconut. Those big slivers would be better with no sugar in them. That would be really a perfect thing right there. You can use raisins. I'm going to use dried cranberries, a heaping 1/4 cup. Plus a little bit more. Now you can put pumpkin seeds in or sunflower seeds. I already have sunflower seeds, so I will be using those. Okay. Now let me mix these around just a little bit. I think that the sweet from that coconut is going to balance out the salt from the cashews. And I'm not going to, I had my salt out, but I'm not going to add salt because those cashews have more than enough salt in them already. So let me just set that out of our way. And I couldn't find whole flax seed, so I got ground flax seed. And I'm going to put almost a tablespoon in. And we're just going to mix this up again. Okay. Let's put that over to the side. Now, we're going to put 1/4 cup of maple syrup in here in a separate bowl. And about a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, hold on, I can't get this open. There we go. Okay. One-4 cup. Pull it up to the top. Give me a whisk out. And just a teaspoon of vanilla. I wouldn't typically measure it, you guys, so I'm just no need in dirtying it up, right? Just use the lid. Just like that. And I think I'm just going to use my spatula. Again, not to dirty anything else up. It's the weekend. I don't know when you'll probably be seeing this on Tuesday, but it's weekend, so we don't want a lot of dirty dishes. So we're just going to give that a stir. And then we're going to pour this in over top of our nut mixture. And we're going to stir it really, really good because we want to get all of those nuts covered as much as possible with this maple syrup mixture. And that's going to be our binder. That's what's going to hold everything together for us when we start cooking this, or baking this rather, in the oven. So we're just going to pour it all in. Scoop it all out. And then give it a really, really good toss in this bowl. I may put a little bit more of the cranberries in there. I'm not sure. Yeah, raisins. I've got raisins too. Should put some of those in there. We're just going to keep stirring it and stirring it and stirring it until everything's glistening with the syrup and vanilla mixture. Bought some little boxes of raisins a few days ago, and that's exactly what this needs. Just one little box of raisins. There we go. Perfect. Now if you want to add a little bit of sweet to this, you could definitely get you some, well, I say a little sweet, but it would be sweet for me. It's already sweet enough for me, but you could put you some Lily's chocolate chips, sprinkle it on the top when you get ready to bake it. If you wanted a little extra something going on in there. Alright, I think that's good enough. I think our bowl is full of delicious things. And yeah, get all that on my way. And I know I should get some parchment paper that's pre-cut, but I don't use this dish for baking that often, so it'll be okay. Think. So go ahead and get that poured in there. And we're going to scrape the dish to get all of the goodness, or the bowl, I'm sorry, to get all the goodness down into this dish. Now you can use a 9x9 pan if you want these to be thinner. We're just going to spread it out. I'm almost thinking I do want a 9x9. But I've already got this cut out like that, so, or got it out like this, so I think we'll be fine. And we're just going to mash it down until it's just compact. We want it compact so it's not giving anymore. All around in the corners and on every side. We want this to be delicious. And it looks really good already. Yeah. But this is a nut and seed trail mix bar. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this over and put it in the oven. And again, it's a preheated 325 degree oven. And I'm going to let it bake for about 35 minutes. I'm going to put it on 30 minutes. And then I'm going to look at it to see how toasted it is. And I'll go from that point on. So we'll be back. Well, to you it'll be really quick. To me it'll be 35 minutes. Okay, we're going to let that sit in the pan for an hour. Then we'll remove it and slice it up into bars. But looks pretty good, I think. 1 hour will do. Looks good. Smells really good. Okay. Let's see if we can get this sliced up. It smells great. So hopefully it'll slice easy. I think I'm gonna try to go, that didn't stick together too good. Maybe I didn't let it cool down enough. It's been an hour, but I'm thinking maybe to wait longer. But you know what? Let me get Tom to come in here and we'll give it a taste. Since I've already started cutting on it. Yeah, I'll press it a little bit tighter. And there'll be a picture at the end of what it actually looks like when it's finished. But for right now, let's see if I can get Tom to come over here and take a taste. Of course I will too, but look. He's like, who, me? Sorry, mouthful. Yep. Well, I love a good trail mix. I really do. Trail mix bars especially. And this. Katie barred the doors and hide this stuff. So I don't need it all. It's so good, y'all.
This is good stuff, y'all.
It really is.
Yeah, boy.
This one gets 2 thumbs up. Okay. Yes, bravo. Alright, you all take care. And we'll see you next time. Bye.